Hey everyone, I'm Lindsay, owner of Black Sapphire Design, formerly a costume company. I'm here now to share my tips and tricks from 20 years in the sewing industry with you so that you can make your own costumes and accessories for your hardest working dancers. So today we'll be covering something very basic. It is the setup that you need for hand sewing for any of your costumes or accessories. Stay tuned. Okay, so today we'll be going over how to prep for hand sewing for any of your dance costumes or accessories. You'll need some sharp needles. You'll also need some beeswax or thread conditioner, a thimble, I like the kind without the end on it, you'll also need a good thread. I recommend either Gutermann, Coats & Clark, Maxi Lock makes a good one as well. You want to make sure that's 100% polyester. You'll also want a good pair of sharp scissors. I like these Fiskars micro serrated edge scissors for that. Also, Ginger makes good snips. When you're hand sewing with Lycra, stretch fabric, or any other accessory, I do recommend using 4, sometimes 6 strands of thread together for extra stability. You do this by threading 2 or 3 strands through the needle at the same time, and then tying those in a knot so that you are actually using all 4 or 6 strands of thread together. It creates a stronger hold. I find it easier to snip the threads together. That way you have a cleaner end that you can thread through your needle. And I recommend pinching that thread end in between your fingers and then kind of sliding the needle, kind of wiggle it around between your fingers until the thread goes through. Try to thread them at the same time. Obviously, you'll have an easier time pulling those through together without tangling. You want to make sure that all your threads are the same length. Cut them, twist them around your finger. I don't remember what this knot is called, but it's very basic. Just loop, swoop, and pull. Make sure that knot is pulled tight, and then repeat on top of that knot just to make it a bit bulkier so it doesn't slide through the fabric. You'll want to trim your thread end at about 1/8 of an inch away. Don't get too close to the knot or it may come undone when you're sewing. And you can condition your thread with beeswax or thread conditioner either before you tie this knot or after. When you do condition your thread, pull it through twice. You can always wipe off any excess. You can also use an iron and an ironing board to seal that wax into the thread, but I find it's not really necessary. Did you like today's video? Like and subscribe. Follow us on social media. We are on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. Also, leave a comment below letting me know what you'd like to see covered in one of our tutorials. Bye.